Um, this is a video for managing your video files. Video manager. I don't have any right now, so I will just click on upload files tab and then choose video file. I can upload one video file. Video files are usually big, so I can only upload one at a time. So here I have a sample video, so I choose this. It's uploaded now. Sample video mp4, sample video. Okay, and this is uploaded, right? The other features are same. Like if I wanted to delete this, I can choose it from here and delete. It's common for all most of the components of this site manager. And then I uploaded this, so I double click on it, and then I see the video here, sample video. This is the HTML code. Okay, these are the controls of the video. This is the title, and this title is only for you to recognize your video files, like distinguish. If you have lots of video files, you need a title to distinguish them between, right? So this title is for that. You can update this title, but like change it and update. And then for the video, this is the video settings. It's by default. It's like controls. Controls means like these things like play, pause, sound button. And then controls. If it's chosen yes, then it will show the controls. And if no, then it will not show any controls. But I don't recommend that. So you can choose the controls. And autoplay is like if you choose to yes, and then when the page is loaded, it will be played automatically, like autoplay. They don't have to click play to play, but you have to be careful using this feature because maybe people don't want videos to be autoplayed when they looking at something, make a sound or play video, and they want to control it themselves maybe. This is the muted. It's chosen default. It is yes. You can say no, and it will, when it's playing, it will be with the sound. But if you mute it, then it plays, but no sound. When the user chooses to play sound, and then when the user clicks this, and then it will play the sound. So this is pretty much for maybe some privacy reasons. For example, people look at websites at work and then they don't want sounds to be played, something like that. Just it's by default. Its controls are shown. Autoplay is no, and muted is yes. Okay, so but you can change that if you prefer. So HTML is here. So I just okay. Another thing is width of the video. When it's by default, it's 100%, right? 100% means like it will fill up the whole page. Like whatever the page width will be, it will be that. Width will be that. So I just choose the 100% right now. I click. I will copy this HTML, and I will go to a web page that I want to insert a video to. For example, news and events or gallery services, right? This page is empty right now, but of course if I have some contents, I will place the cursor on the where I want this video to be appeared, and then I click on this video insert video button, and then paste the HTML I copied, and then place the cursor on the place where I want this video to be inserted, and then I click on OK, and then this video will be in here. Okay, and then I will update. I inserted a video in gallery and services page, right? So I go to gallery and services page, and this is the video here. So it's by default it's paused and muted, and if I want to play, I click on play button. If I want the sound, I click on sound. Yeah, this is how you insert video files to your pages anywhere you like. Okay, so you can also delete this if you have, of course, more videos, and if you wanted to delete an old video, you can select it and then delete it from here and upload the new ones from here. Yeah, so this is how you use the video manager.